Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have our Lush Halloween items and actually some Christmas items because some of those were released early. So Raylan's gonna show you what we got. I think this one is called Lord of Misrule. It smells so good, this box. So it's the yellowish blue. And we have some dots in there.
There's no wrapping on it.
Yeah, there's no wrapping. They don't always put wrapping on it, but that's okay. We got that one. You want to dig around for the next one?
Yeah.
Dig, dig, dig. What else we got? Whoa. Oh, that one's cool. Okay, so this is a Christmas one. It's this little Santa and a bear and a sleigh. How cute. Santa's Magic Sleigh Gift Bath Bomb. That one's adorable.
I'm going to do the next one.
Okay. Grab the next one. Oh yeah. It's all powdery in here. So this is an ectoplasm shower slime. So that, I guess it's, well, it's kind of like a shower jelly, but it's a little bit runnier, I guess, like slimy. So you just use it in the shower, lather up. Let's see what it smells like.
Okay.
I haven't used a shower slime. Ooh, kind of smells like lemons.
That must be lemon juice.
It does smell nice.
It must smell like lemon juice. So it
Looks
can
like
make
slime.
lemon.
I love it. Okay, dig around. Ooh, be gentle though. They're not all wrapped, which I kind of...
Oh, the pumpkin.
Pumpkin, he's so cute. Pumpkin.
Can I get next one?
Uh-huh.
It's big. I want to get out.
Oh, that one looks messy. Oh, the ghost, he's so cute. So we'll be doing all the Halloween ones very shortly. And then Christmas ones will probably start in November.
Okay, what's that one?
This one was considered a Christmas, I believe, and it's totally missing a chunk. This one, I think, was supposed to be the Orange Pop Bath Bomb, and this is where the little green little stem should be. I mean, heck, it might even be in here. Yep, it's in here. We're just gonna put it back together like it never happened. There we go. That's cute.
My turn.
There should be a bat in here still. Let's see what's in this bag. I don't understand the rhyme or reason for sometimes they're in bags, sometimes they're not. Because they're all messy when you throw them in there. Yep, there's the bat.
What is in there, bat?
Bat art is what that one's called.
Bat
And feels like there's something. Oh yeah, we got the little bear. This was he's like laying on his stomach sleeping. That's a Christmas one. I think it had some lavender in the top.
Let me see what's our next one. Is zombie?
Yeah, so that one looks like Cinderella's little carriage. That's supposed to be a Christmas one too.
It's not.
It's not?
Yeah.
Oh. I thought that one was going to be massive.
Yeah, that one's massive.
I think that's, oh. Every time I think we're done, there's more in there. I think this is last. You get to pick a sample when you order. So I got the Revive Hair Moisture. I love those little samples. Ugh, my hands are all dirty. So that's what we got for our Halloween items and some of the Christmas stuff. I will be ordering the rest of the Christmas once it has been released. So stay tuned for the demos. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.